What if you are asked to identify the sum of the terms in an arithmetic sequence? Paano nyo kaya ito isosolve? Hi guys! Welcome back sa Love Math TV, kung saan ang math ay mas pinadadali at mas minamahal. For today's video, ang pag-uusapan natin ay tungkol sa arithmetic series. Ano nga ba ito at paano nga ba natin ito isosolve? Sige, let's have this one. Arithmetic series is the sum of the terms in an arithmetic sequence. Ito yung sum ng mga terms sa isang arithmetic sequence. Ngayon, kung konti lang yung terms, okay lang mag-add. Pero pag marami na, we have the formula S sub n is equal to n times the quantity of a sub 1 plus a sub n over 2. Ito na yung gagamitin natin kasi mahirap mag-add ng maraming terms. So we have here, number 1, what is the sum of the first 50 counting numbers? So we are adding 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus... sige. Ayan, wag na natin ituloy kasi marami yan. Plus 50. Okay, so we are adding all the numbers from 1 to 50. Okay, let's identify our n. Okay, dahil ito ay first 50 counting numbers, ang n natin ay 50. Ano ngayon yung a sub 1 natin? Ano yung first term natin? We have 1. Ano ang a sub n natin? Yung last term is 50. Okay, so we have now the formula S sub n is equal to n times a sub 1 plus a sub n, okay, divided by 2. So we are going to have S sub 50 is equal to, ano yung n natin? We have 50 times, ano ang a sub 1? 1. Plus, ang a sub n is 50. Okay, divided by 2. So unahin natin yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. So we have S sub 50 is equal to 50 times 1 plus 50 is, correct, 51, divided by 2. So, pwede nyo nang kunin yung product nito, pero tuturuan ko kayo ng shortcut, ha? Yung 50 kasi, saka yung 2, pwede na natin siya i-divide dito para mas mabilis tayong mag-multiply. So, 50 divided by 2, kung i-divide natin ito, we will have how many? 25. So, magiging S sub 50 is equal to 25 times 51 na lang siya. Okay? Para hindi na tayo mag-divide by 2 mamaya. O niino na natin yung pag-divide. So, what is now 25 times 51? Okay? This one is 1 times 5, 5. 1 times 2 is 2. 5 times 5 is 25. Carry 2. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2 is 12. So, we have here 5, 7, 2, 1. So, our S50 or S sub 50 or our sum for the first 50 counting numbers is 1,275. O, ganun lang. Sundan lang natin yung formula, ha? Okay, now you try. What is the sum of the first 100 counting numbers? O, you try this one, ha? Ngayon, kung natutunan ng video na ito, please i-comment yan sa ating comment section, mga anak, ha? And please like and share our videos para marami pang matuto sa math. And don't forget to follow for more math videos. Bye!